It's just me, Ghetto Mama, aka Leslie Singh, and I don't know. I always have technical difficulties. So I had an adjustment and then something happened. Anyway, today I have salad. If I can figure out how to do this, grab it without dumping my stuff. I need something right here for my chest. I don't know. I don't know. I know something. Hold on, gang. Look at that. I put my food in my shirt. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyway, this is my salad today. Well, you get to look at my shirt. But you don't see no boobies. I don't know how long this shit's going to last. But anyway, my salad has romaine lettuce in it. My little tomatoes. It has these things. Little sugar snap peas. Oh, I got something on my tooth. Yum, 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 yum. So what's today? Tuesday? 2 for Tuesday? We might get another mukbang on me later. I don't know. I'm very sporadic because I have all kinds of weird things going on around me all the time. This girl's hungry, so I get happy. Even over salad. I know I'm being a little bit crazy. Isn't that stupid? Look what I have to do. I had this chair thing up here, and I couldn't get it to stick, so... Well, I put everything else down my shirt, so why not my salad, right? I should sit at the table, but the lighting is crappy at the table. Oh, and I have some protein for lunch, too. This is a Walmart hamburger patty, and that is A1 sauce. I've got lots of pepper on it, too. So what y'all been doing? I've been babysitting. I feel like I got hair going across my face. I've been babysitting. Dog sitting. Damn. You ever get that? Got a phantom hair or something across your face? Can't find it, but you feel it. I feel it. It's like I got hair right there. Dang. Do I? I don't see nothing. That's me, no makeup. How do you like these camera angles? I can look really big and fat there. I can look sexy here. I can look normal here. I don't know. Camera's a weird thing. Camera can tell stories. Alright, I still telling you what was in this. Romaine lettuce, onion, and garlic, my chopped garlic. Ranch, because I don't have any Catalina, I don't think. And chopped garlic and the tomatoes. And pepper. So, I'm planning a Halloween party. The Saturday before Halloween. And I was thinking about live streaming it, the Halloween party, but I don't know what channel to put it on, if I should put it on here or my Leslie Sing channel. And I gotta figure out how to live stream it. Oh, my daughter's coming in. Anyway, so if I live stream it, it's gonna have music in it. Of course, we're gonna have music bumping in the background. So, you guys that do live stream, do they cut you out because you have music or you don't have music? I mean, it's going to be a party, so you'll see a lot of shenanigans, I'm sure. You'll see a lot of good food because I'm planning on making some food. That's another thing. I don't know what to make for my Halloween party food. I don't know if I should just cop out and buy Little Caesars pizzas or pizza rolls, or make sloppy hoes, sloppy joes, or have a hot dog buffet where other kinds of stuff you can put on hot dogs. Well, my daughter wants to do a nacho buffet. So actually, if I do a hot dog buffet, that might be really good because, we'll already have the junk there for the nachos and put some of that on the hot dog, right? But I told everybody that's invited to the party they have to bring something. Not just themselves or their ass in their hand in their back pocket feeling their ass. They have to bring something. So they have to bring a little bit of beer, or they have to bring something a little bit to smoke, or maybe some food, candy. I'm in it for the food. But I don't drink alcohol. Alcohol's not good for you and it's way too fattening. So, my way of partying is, I think I'll have a couple of candy bars. My battery just set, so I'll probably have a couple candy bars, probably have, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna not be excessive for the Halloween party, but I'll make sure I have something good, Then I'm trying to get my phone cord. Where is the rest of it? I gotta plug it all in. There, plugged in. Hope it makes a difference. That'd be really crappy if I have enough memory, then all of a sudden no battery. Like, wow. So, the Halloween party. Oh no, my phone is freezing. I'll have to say in a 2-part video. Maybe somebody's calling me. They sure put a lot of this dark green lettuce in this salad today. So are any of you having a Halloween party or doing anything for Halloween?
No.
We're not doing the scary stuff because, the little baby, but I'm I'm going to decorate with pumpkins and like harvest stuff for the baby. I want to make a Halloween scene on my desk thingy that I have in here. And then after Halloween in November, I'm going to kind of slowly add Christmas stuff and take away the Halloween stuff so it turns into Christmas. Wouldn't that be cool? I am very excited about the holidays. I was looking at my old YouTube videos last year, my Christmas dinner mukbang, and I had ham and pasta, cheesy pasta with meat marinara sauce. Looked really good. I don't know what to do for the Christmas dinner. Probably maybe the same kind of stuff. Have you guys thought about the holidays yet? I've been also trying to think of something spooky, a spooky story I could tell you guys. Or another story I could tell you. You guys seem to like story time. If I can think of one. I'll come back with a story for tonight. What kind of stories do you like? You like scary stories, first dating stories, people's business stories? What do you like? Because I don't know what to tell you. I can tell you a really cute, funny story. It was terrifying for me. But you guys will think it's funny. Okay. When I was a little kid, I lived on a cattle ranch, but we had chickens too for eggs because my grandma, my family was like self-sustainable type people. We gardened, we canned, we froze. They took the different animals to the market or to the thing to get processed. So we had chickens for eggs and for meat. I don't like chickens, okay? If you guys watch my channel and you like chickens for pets and stuff like that, I'm sorry. Chickens gross me out. I don't like them. I think they're cute, and I like watching the chickens in everybody's like videos when you have pet chickens. I think they're really sweet, but they're not for me, okay? Just like pet lizards, they're not for me either. So, anyhow, when I was a little kid, I think I was like maybe 10. I was between 8 and 10. My grandma used to feed her cats, because we had like a lot of outside cats that were for the, for the barn. So, I'm belching. So my grandma used to put cat food out on the front porch. Well, the back porch. So she put the kind of cat food out there. And guess what would come running up to eat the cat food? The chickens. The chickens, we only had like maybe 10, 15 chickens at a time, most of the time. Well, and we had a couple of ducks, because we also had a pond. We didn't eat the ducks, though. They were just for the pond to watch, watch them swim. They were pets. Anyway, the chickens came up on the front porch, and I seen my grandma swinging on a swing set, which was maybe about 50 feet from the front porch. No, I'd say it's less than that. Maybe 20 feet from the front porch. So I'm swinging back and forth on the swing set. Grandma feeds cats, here comes all chickens. And Rooster, that's what we used to call the rooster. We used to call him Brewster the rooster. He comes up like, oh, I'm macho rooster. So he's come up there to the porch and he's scratching around, puffing his feathers up, looking all proud, like what roosters do. And all of a sudden, my grandma calls me to come in the house. And I'm sitting on a swing set. And so I get down to start coming over to the, because I have to walk past the chickens and everything that are on the fucking porch or in the cat food dish. And I get like maybe about 6 foot from the steps to the porch. And Brewster Rooster stands up. And all of a sudden his thing is more up on his head and he's looking at me kind of funny. And I'm looking at him too because he's the scariest damn thing. Because he would chase you and he would run at you, jump on you and flop his wings and peck you. Oh, he was a mean rooster. I don't know what happened to him. Anyhow. He seen me, I seen him, I ran back to the swing and started swinging really tall. Now he's at my feet by a swing where I'm almost like kicking him. As I'm swinging, and my grandma's pissed off now. She's yelling and screaming for me to come in the house. The rooster's got me prisoner. So do I jump off the swing and let the rooster beat my ass? Or take my time, let my grandma beat my ass? Tough decision being a little kid. Well, long story short, my grandma came out and chased all the chickens off the porch, and then Rooster wanted to go see where his hens, his wives, were going. So he started following them, and I was like watching them as they were kind of like going away. And I thought the coast was clear. The coast wasn't clear. I jumped off. Well, I didn't know this, but I thought it was clear, but it wasn't clear. I jumped off the swing, started heading towards the porch, and out of nowhere, Brewster Rooster turns around. He darts at me. And my grandma's yelling at me. Lucky for the rooster, my grandma scared the shit out of him. Well, lucky for me. She's yelling. She sounds like an old hen herself. Get in the house. And she says, don't be afraid of them chickens just running by him. So, but anyway, so he got scared of her and he took off to follow his hen wives. And I got in the house and didn't really get my ass beat, but I got yelled at. But I thought that was kind of a funny story. Little kids being scared of chickens. It's okay. I heard all kinds of funny stories about animals. Because we raised steers too, my grandpa made a fake fence, a gate in the barn, because one of the steers kept getting out. So we had a bunch of hay bales, like building like a little pen around this guy, because he kept getting out. And we had a picnic table tipped off to the side to make like a gate. That steer, every time I'd go in the barn to go help in the barn, he'd jump over that damn picnic table, knock it down, and come chasing me. My motto when I was a kid is, feet don't fail me now. I did more running from roosters and cattle than you would not believe. Those animals just chase me. Seriously, chase me. I don't know what they thought. And you know, to this day, if I go to the fairgrounds and there's all these cows and chickens and stuff, I'm scared. I am. I'm scared. I'm scared of them. I'm not scared of the horses, but I'm scared of chickens. And the cattle. When you were a kid, did any animals scare you? You know what's funny? I've never been chased by a dog. I've never been really bitten by a dog that wanted to bite me, except for separating my little Googie from Tippy when they were fighting. They're both all teeth, and I got nipped on this arm from Googie. But he was after Tippy. He wasn't after me, but that's funny, you know. I've never had a problem with dogs. Well, guys, I think I'm 21 minutes, kind of long on this mukbang, and I don't know if my lips are syncing up like Chinese people or they're actually syncing up, because usually I'll talk and you'll hear the voice and the lips aren't right. So, because I'm almost done, I'm just going to go, and I will be back later, hopefully. If not, I'll be back the next day. Here's what I got left out of my hamburger patty and my salad. And this is my table. Much better. Anyway, the beverage is decaffeinated coffee and chocolate coffee creamer by Hershey's. That's the beverage of the day. I can't go cheers and take a drink because it's too dang hot. So, I'll catch you next mukbang. And like Pink Fairy says, share, 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 share. So share my videos. I need subs so I can monetize. But I like money, but I like doing this YouTube. So I don't care. I'll still be here for you. Alright, catch you later, guys.